In this video we will discuss the Google Search Console review. Google Search Console is a web-based tool created to help businesses monitor, troubleshoot, and manage website presence in Google search results. Key features include localization keyword tracking, mobile keywords, dashboard including Google Analytics integration. Teams utilizing Search Console can investigate websites' clicks, responses and position toward Google Search Console and get insight into which queries takes users to their websites. The platform enables marketers to submit individual URLs, including sitemaps for crawling, including receive email alerts when Google identifies problems on their websites. Additionally, web developers can utilize the application to monitor and determine common issues and streamline the creation of markup or codes for websites. Features of Google Search Console. Google Search Console begins with lots and numbers of features. Moreover, it can be overwhelming trying to get introduced to every one of these features. Discover key insights, including metrics about your website. Google Search Console is filled with tons of reporting tools that follow and display relevant data about your website's SEO activities and a kind of visitor metrics. This is an immediate insight from Google as to whereby the search engine views your website. Receive data on fundamental SEO, including security issues on your website. Search Console frequently checks your website for surviving and possible errors such as dead pages, broken links, duplicate content, and several other non-friendly SEO issues. In the Search Console, you will be getting messages immediately from Google regarding any problems with or actions taken facing your website. Recognize both the keywords people use to discover your site and your most favorite pages. Where else would you instead turn to for the specific keyword searchers use in getting your website than Google itself? Search Console presents you with this data for free. Understand where your visitors are originating from and what devices they utilize. You can find this data in the same section where the keywords and pages data is located. Therefore, by selecting countries in the list, you'll be able to view the number of clicks your website gets from each country, with the greatest numbers at the top of the list. Search Console enables you to switch to view the results based on impressions, click-through rate, and search ranking position. Additionally, you'll also be capable of viewing what devices they use in accessing your site, great for optimizing for mobile and desktop. Receive page speed reports. This is a unique feature launched in November 2019. It fetches data from one Chrome user experience report, including automatically groups URLs into the kinds of fast, moderate, and slow. It operates just like other Search Console reports that group URLs based on how well they satisfy particular criteria, such as having valid structured information markup. Including this, you get a list of possible page speed matters. Therefore, by clicking on one of the recognized issues, you'll get to learn more about it as it'll transfer you to Google's PageSpeed Insights tool. From there, you can discover more about how to optimize your pages to determine the particular issue. Remove URLs from Google search results. The Remove URLs feature is handy for temporarily hiding specific URLs from Google search results pages and removing content that is still listed high up for a particular search but is no longer relevant. Fetch as Google. It is a feature on Search Console which offers the following. Giving you how Google does your published page so you can view your website precisely as Google sees it. Allowing you to submit your site or pages for fast indexing. Set up structured information. Google search to an index including display your web pages correctly, it needs to know its content. Therefore, for this to happen more efficiently, you can provide explicit clues about the purpose of a page to Google by including structured information, also called schema profit, on every page. Improve your website's HTML. Just as essential as how Google knows your content through structured data is how your results see in search results. For Google to present your results gracefully. Moreover, the HTML advancements feature in Search Console is used to highlight your website's content issues, such as duplicate meta tags or title problems. Submit a sitemap. Google's web crawlers on their own can discover a lot about a website, including its web pages. But you can provide them with a little extra help in understanding the data. Moreover, they require your website by submitting a sitemap to Google. A sitemap displays the listing of all the pages of a website. Optimize your website to display rich results. In Search Console, you can get Google to present your recipes, jobs or other structured data as valuable results on Google Search. You can also observe the valuable results status and update them using Search Console reports. To discover the rich result reports, head to the Enhancements section in the menu pane. There, you can discover a separate account for each type of valuable result. Pros and cons of Google Search Console. These are the following pros and cons of Google Search Console. Pros of Google Search Console: protect your data. No targeted ads. Get unbiased search results. Search for a cause. Trust your search provider. Cons of Google Search Console: searches aren't saved. Less advanced results. Searches aren't saved. Price. The most attractive things have to be the price tag and other Google products like Analytics and Tag Manager, and it's entirely free to use. This assists the playing field leveled when it comes to SEO information. Moreover, whether you've got a £1 million SEO budget or you're a one-person band, you get access to the same data, including reports from Google. Professional SEOs aren't going to replace paid tools with Search Console yet, but it is becoming more practical. It may, in time, replace the necessity for other devices like the website auditors you discover inside Moz, Raven and SEO Power Suite. Conclusion. It can only be a great thing that Google is becoming more transparent, including reporting more data back to webmasters. Of course, it's up to the individual whether you choose to trust this data or not. Either way, Search Console provides you with a straight line into Google. I would suggest setting it up for whatever website you're performing SEO work on.